wanna blow up in the limelight. Thinking about what my life would then be like. Go to LA, back on one night, trying to catch a flight. I'm just working for that jet life. I just wanna blow up in the limelight. Thinking about what my life would then be like. Go to LA, I'm back on one night, trying to catch a flight. I'm just working for that jet life.
You can have the money and the fame, have a couple planes in your name, or popping a champagne. Would you buy a big house and a couple of whips and cash a couple of your chips for a closet of kicks? I'd have every Jordan ever made, so every day I could have a different pair. I wanted to be displayed. I would have my bed 10 times bigger than me, and a Hawaiian punch fountain that's bigger than D's. I would buy a golf course and a court for all sports, host the Final Four while I'm eating 4 course, romping outdoors, playing polo in a Porsche. And of course it ain't a race when you own every horse. I'd have a guest house for the guys with me, up in Shy City where we sitting sky pretty. I'm just trying to catch a flight and make it in time. You could say I got a fly state of mind.
I just wanna blow up in the limelight. Thinking about what my life would then be like. Go to LA, I'm back on the one night, trying to catch a flight. I'm just working for that jet life. I just wanna blow up in the limelight. Thinking about what my life would then be like. Go to LA, I'm back on the one night, trying to catch a flight. I'm just working for that jet life.
See, I'm talking about that jet life. I'll be working for that jet life. Go to LA, I'm back on that one night, trying to catch a flight, working for that jet life. Flight, working for that jet life. I wanna wake up to a butler with a joint roll for me to help me head upwards. While I clear my head, I wanna discover that Natalie Portman is under my covers. Pull a blank check, get a water slide from my room to the pool, and I ain't worried about school. I take a paycheck and buy a couple of A's so my grades will amaze. Looking like I was Harvard made, sexy made, yes. And I got places to be and seen in some magazine, rolling in a limousine. I got people to do, a couple things to see. Kick it at a mansion, partying with Charlie Sheen. I'd hit the studio with Kanye, make a couple hits while we sippin' Bombay. Take another trip to kick it with Dr. Dre, then get hella jet lag from flying the whole day.
I just wanna blow up in the limelight. Thinking about what my life would then be like. Go to LA, I'm back on the one night, trying to catch a flight. I'm just working for that jet life. I just wanna blow up in the limelight. Thinking about what my life would then be like. Go to LA, I'm back on the one night, trying to catch a flight. I'm just working for that jet life.
I'm talking about that jet life. I'll be working for that jet life. Go to LA, I'm back on that one night, trying to catch a flight, working for that jet life. Working for that jet life. Go to LA, I'm back on that one night, trying to catch a flight, working for that jet life.
I just wanna blow up in the limelight. Thinking about what my life would then be like. Go to LA, I'm back on one night, trying to catch a flight. I'm just working for that jet life. I just wanna blow up in the limelight. Thinking about what my life would then be like. Go to LA, I'm back on the one night, trying to catch a flight. I'm just working for that jet life.